Okay, just like 2 hours ago, I got another delivery here. Paid a little bit more for it. I paid $200 instead of the $135 I think I paid for the other one. This is not a Japanese guitar. This is the way it was described, a vintage 1950s Hummel oddball. Then they wrote German K Silvertone Harmony clone, but it's an acoustic, and they put a pickup on it. But I got this because it's from the 1950s, and I've never owned a guitar from the 1950s, but got it from Reverb, and I gonna open it up for you and see how it works. So we're gonna use the scissors here, and I waited a few hours. So they say wait a few hours because it's cold. I don't know what the weather's like for you guys, but where I'm at, a lot of snow. And so we're unboxing this. And I should have this up momentarily, so just bear with me, or if you want to fast forward a little bit, fast forward. Okay. They really put a lot of tape on this, so don't mind if you fast forward a little bit until we see it. And also we're calling it like an odd blonde strange bird. So remember it's blonde. So that's cool. Oh my goodness. Gosh, when I was a kid, I could probably rip right through this thing so much faster. It says fragile on it and everything. We're almost there, everyone. We're almost there. I think it's been, what, just over 2 minutes? I'm going to rip the box because I probably won't reuse this one. I'm eager to see what it looks like. Well, at least the guy I got it from, I think I got it from somebody in California. It took a while to get here. But I'm like, I don't think I'll never buy a semi-expensive guitar again. I never could afford to buy anything expensive, but I'm just going to buy stuff that's older and get it fixed up, and maybe I'll get one more if my wife lets me. But here we go. All right, so patience. Of course, we got some packing. Ooh, I see it. Looks really nice. Really nice. Here we go. Here we go. Some plastic. Fighting me a little bit here. All this bubble wrap. Probably gonna run out of time any minute. At least you guys will get to see it. Maybe next video we'll play it. I don't know if you can see it okay here. All right. 50s model. Oh, it does say Hummel. So I guess when they were using, you know, I'm sure a lot of us have heard K and Silvertones and harmonies, and a lot of them were older guitars, American or Japanese guitars. Could have been Sears and Roebuck order, mail order guitars. And I like the fact how he really took care packing it like this, but didn't realize it was going to be so time consuming. But here it is. It's got F holes, and it has a pickup. So I don't think it originally came. Can you believe it's holding a tune and it came all the way across the country? Plays like it's from the 50s. And all right, let's see if we can tune it up and see what it sounds like. I think it's really pretty. There's the back. You know, it's got the real wood, you know, and it's just really pretty guitar. Well, I have somebody around here set it up for me a little bit better. Wish I learned how to do that stuff. Half step. Half step up. Yep. It's gonna need a little bit of work. I mean, somebody put this bridge on it. Pickup rather. And it looks like it's coming off here a little bit. Look at that old wooden bridge with the dials. I have somebody doing it. I think that's a trapeze tailpiece if I'm right. Comment if I'm right or wrong, please. Oh, it's got a little chip right there. But I think it's cool. Yeah, I did have a blonde guitar. That's right. 15 years ago, I bought an electric guitar. It's a Les Paul copy. It's a great guitar. It's got a little hole right here.